Right now, in hospitals around the world, a machine is reading invisible messages in human blood. Messages that reveal cancer, pregnancy, heart attacks before they happen. And it does this thousands of times every single day. This is the immunoassay analyzer, and it's quietly revolutionizing medicine. Every time a doctor orders a blood test to check your hormones, detect an infection, or screen for diseases, there's a good chance this technology is working behind the scenes. But here's what's wild. This machine can detect substances in your blood that exist in concentrations as small as 1 part per trillion. That's like finding a single grain of sand in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. So how does it work? And why is it one of the most important medical inventions you've never heard of? Before immunoassay analyzers, diagnosing diseases was often a guessing game. Doctors relied heavily on symptoms, which could be misleading or appear too late. Testing for specific proteins, hormones, or disease markers required complex, time-consuming laboratory procedures that could take days or even weeks. Imagine waiting 2 weeks to find out if you had a treatable infection, or not knowing you were pregnant until months in. Or worst of all, discovering cancer only after it had already spread because early detection wasn't possible. The medical world desperately needed a way to detect microscopic biological markers quickly, accurately, and reliably. They needed to see the invisible. The solution came from understanding one of nature's most elegant systems, the immune response. Your immune system creates antibodies, these incredibly specific proteins that lock onto foreign invaders like a key fitting into a lock. Scientists realized they could hijack this natural targeting system. Here's the genius. Immunoassay analyzers use laboratory-created antibodies as molecular detectives. These antibodies are designed to seek out and bind to specific targets in your blood, whether that's a hormone like insulin, a cancer marker like PSA, or even drugs or toxins. But finding the target is only half the battle. The real magic is in making it visible. The analyzer attaches a label to these antibodies, usually a fluorescent dye or an enzyme that produces light. When the antibody finds its target and binds to it, it lights up, literally. The machine then measures this light signal, and the brighter it glows, the more that substance is in your blood. Modern immunoassay analyzers can run dozens of different tests simultaneously, processing hundreds of samples per hour with incredible precision. What once took days now takes minutes. The impact of this technology is staggering. Early cancer detection has improved dramatically. Markers for prostate, ovarian, and colorectal cancers can now be detected at stages where treatment is most effective, saving countless lives. Cardiac troponin tests can detect heart attacks within hours, allowing doctors to intervene before permanent damage occurs. Before immunoassay analyzers, many heart attacks went undetected until it was too late. Hormone testing has transformed endocrinology. Thyroid disorders, diabetes monitoring, fertility treatments, all rely on precise hormone measurements that immunoassay analyzers provide. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, immunoassay technology was rapidly adapted to create antibody tests that help track infection rates and immune responses on a global scale. The pharmaceutical industry uses these analyzers to measure drug levels in patients, ensuring medications are therapeutic levels without being toxic. It's personalized medicine in action. Today's immunoassay analyzers are technological marvels. They are fully automated, requiring minimal human intervention. Some models can run over 200 different types of tests. They have built-in quality controls, flagging suspicious results for review. The newest analyzers use chemiluminescence, where the signal is produced by a chemical reaction that emits light. This method is extremely sensitive and can detect substances at femtomolar concentrations, that's 0.00000000000001 moles per liter. We're talking about detecting individual molecules in a sea of billions. Some cutting-edge models even use artificial intelligence to optimize testing protocols and predict equipment maintenance needs before failures occur. The future is even more exciting. Researchers are developing portable immunoassay analyzers no bigger than a smartphone. Imagine getting comprehensive blood work results at home, instantly. Microfluidic immunoassays, sometimes called lab-on-a-chip technology, could make testing accessible in remote areas without advanced medical infrastructure. And scientists are exploring multiplex immunoassays that could screen for hundreds of diseases simultaneously from a single drop of blood. Early detection at a scale we've never seen before. The immunoassay analyzer doesn't have the glamour of robotic surgery or the sci-fi appeal of gene therapy. But in the quiet corners of medical labs everywhere, it's making the invisible visible. It's catching diseases early. It's saving lives. Every time it lights up, it's revealing secrets written in molecules, helping doctors make decisions with confidence rather than guesswork. And that might just be the most powerful invention in modern medicine.